Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and in this one we are going to be learning how to block artists on Spotify. So with that being said, let's just jump right into the video. So right now, as you can see, I'm inside Spotify, and now let's see, I want to select a specific artist. Let's say this is Post Malone. You simply need to head over to these three dots, so you can see the arrow that is pointing downwards, and right after that we have these three dots. In here you can see we have this option to exclude from your taste profile, but we are not going to be heading over to that. Simply click on Post Malone, and now we are going to be heading over to this particular artist's profile. So for that, what we are going to be doing is that simply click on any of its song. So let's say I simply head over to a song, and now we are going to be simply clicking on this title of this particular song, and now click on these three dots again, which are right after this arrow. Now you can see we have this option to view the artist. Simply head over to view artist, and now click on these three dots again, and here you can see we have this option to don't play this artist, and you're going to be simply selecting this particular option, and once you do, it will be blocked from your feed and you no longer will be recommended with that particular artist's song. So that's a pretty simple process on how to block artists on Spotify. I really hope you understood the concept and found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share it with your friends. Thanks so much for watching, and see you around in the next video.